Hey, Uena, guess what? It's Crim again, and we're gonna react to a special clip. I'm excited. I told you guys to get more IU out. I plan on getting more IU out. Now, Sleepless Rainy Night. I think I've already listened to this live. I don't know. I'm losing track of what songs I've listened to, what I have not listened to with IU, but I don't care. I'm happy. I just want to listen to more IU. And it's always good to talk to you, Edda. So I don't care. It's always a fun time for me. It's great. It's great. It's wonderful. Sorry, I'm a little cracked out. Coffee's finally starting to hit me. It's early in the morning, and I gotta upload all these before I go to work. Well, not upload, but I gotta at least get these things going. But with that said, I hope you guys really enjoy this. I'm excited for this special clip. It looks like it's a kind of just a stage setting. So let's go. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure you leave a comment down below so I can you guys give me more suggestions. I always love. Maybe I'll do more of these special clips. Is this one of those B-side tracks? I feel like this is B-side. That style though. Where's Wallace right there? Oh, this is great. I'm gonna appreciate her voice for a bit. This is amazing. I love just her with her band and everybody that her team is like. Her team altogether is just so good to be around. I like this like rap-esque kind of singing. Ooh. I have not heard this song. It says early in the morning, waking up. This song is beautiful, just in like the lyrics and everything about it. Oh wow. Oh. Her voice. Oh, you steal me. I like their team's goofy. Ah, I love the Where's Wallace look. It's just fun. She's just fun. I like that. That's a clap. That was like a live stage. I love that. Clap, 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 clap. Thank you, 1the K. That's I usually I'm trying to get away from you, 1the K, but just gotta still give me love. I love that song. It was very fun. It was a great time. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. And you and I just keep recommending me stuff. I'm a part of you guys. I gotta order a whole bunch of IU albums and stuff. Oh, man, that's so much. That's so. There's a lot of them. If I can get all of them, I'll do like an IU album unboxing. See what I get. I just bought a couple albums. I did buy Blackpink's album. I bought a lot of things recently. But yeah, I'm really excited for more of these. I want to actually get into a little more of these special clips, if this is the thing I could find. Because, live stages, YouTube hates me, so I can't upload those, but we're going to find a way. If you guys like this reaction, I just kind of was chilling. I think we were just chilling together, that was what I felt like this. Please leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and then leave comments. If you're just vibing with me, tell me if you're vibing. With that said, I hope you guys have a wonderful one, and I'll see you guys in the next one.